Hello, today I am going to unpack two new eyeshadow palette from the brand Tom Ford. This is beautiful red box. Let's unpack this box and see the content inside the box. This is so special. Is this a mini lipstick? Yes. Then let's take a look at the two palettes first. Let's unpack them together and look them. They're really good. This palette is indeed a bit like out of. You can see the color of this palette. Then put the number two together. You can compare this to the number one palette. It looks lighter. The number two palette is slightly warmer. The color of number one palette is lotus pink with rose color as the base color. It has a fine glitters. Look at the its glitter. It's a powder-like dancer, and the particles are smaller than those of color one. And this color has its own glitter. It can be made into the makeup look instant. Comfort is okay this time.